1965 Chevrolet Impala SS, listed in Vineland, New Jersey for $17,500. This supersport has been in the seller's family for over 10 years, with the current owner's father taking good care of it. Under the hood is a big block 396 engine paired with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. It's got nice extras like air conditioning and a center console. The previous owner invested a lot into upgrades, rebuilding the entire chassis, replacing all bushings, brake lines, and fuel lines, and painting the frame. It also has a brand new 12-bolt Posey rear end and upgraded 4-wheel disc brakes. The engine runs strong, and the transmission shifts great. The body does show some rust and will need attention, but the foundation is solid. Cash only, no trades on this one. Check the link in the description to contact the seller. (1966) Ford Mustang Coupe, listed in Marietta, Georgia for $12,500. This Mustang is rust-free and features the original 206-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. It has beautiful paint, trim, and the original interior color, along with classic spinner hubcaps. The car runs but needs a tune-up, and while it's not currently drivable, it will need to be towed. It's a great candidate for a project car. Recent work includes a new water pump, tune-up parts, and carburetor. It will need new tires, a new battery, new brakes. The emergency brake is disconnected, an exhaust manifold gasket, and a muffler to get it back on the road. With its all-original metal panels, it's perfect for someone looking to keep it original or resto-mod, a solid base for a restoration project. (1965) Ford Mustang Coupe, listed in Schertz, Texas, for $14,000. This classic Mustang is in great condition, with a striking red exterior and white racing stripe. The pristine red interior adds to its charm. Powered by a 200 cubic inch inline-six engine with only 52,320 miles on the clock, it offers authentic vintage driving with no AC, power steering, or power brakes. Recent upgrades include new tires, front shocks, rear air shocks, and a new steering box. It's a perfect car for weekend drives or car shows. (1963) Pontiac Bonneville, listed in Wallingford, Connecticut, for $16,000. This classic cruiser is powered by a 389 cubic inch V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor, backed by an automatic transmission. The current one has some issues, but a correct replacement is included in the sale. It's got power steering and power brakes, making it easy to enjoy on the road. The paint and chrome still show well, and the interior has been nicely restored. Floors and rocker panels are solid, and all the glass is in good shape. The engine runs well and the car is drivable and currently registered. It comes with a Connecticut registration and bill of sale. Connecticut doesn't issue titles for older vehicles like this. (1972) Ford Mustang Coupe, listed in Lowell, Massachusetts, for $14,999. This Mustang has been garage kept since 1996 and is in excellent running and driving condition. It's a mostly original and unmodified car, featuring the numbers-matching 302 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission that shifts perfectly. The body is extremely clean with no rust or rot, and the interior is in beautiful shape. The paint is the original bright red, showing some fading with age, but it could be restored or enjoyed with its current patina. The original vinyl roof is still in perfect condition. It still has the factory air conditioning system in place, just needs a belt to get it working again. It's rolling on new tires and the hand-polished rims look fantastic. (1973) Pontiac Ventura Sprint, listed in Van Buren Township, Michigan, for $16,500. This Ventura Sprint is powered by a mildly built 400 cubic inch V8, paired with a 3-speed transmission and a Posey rear end. It runs and drives as it should, and has been recently repainted, showing nicely overall. A few extras come with the car, including grills and emblems that just need to be installed. Also included are a disc brake conversion kit and upper and lower tubular control arms. The seller isn't looking for cash, only trades, and is interested in hot rods, other classic cars, or big trucks. (1969) Ford Falcon, listed in Deruyter, New York, for $18,500. This rust-free Falcon, originally from Texas, shows just over 54,000 original miles and has been built into a serious street machine. It's powered by a Ford Racing 427 cubic inch small block, paired with a Gearstar Stage 3 C4 automatic transmission featuring a trans brake. Out back, it's got a fully built Moser 9-inch rear end. Performance upgrades include subframe connectors, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, and electric exhaust cutouts, so you can cruise quiet or let it roar. Inside, you'll find Corbeau racing seats with 4-point harnesses, a roll cage, and weld racing wheels, though the interior could use some fit and finish, and it has no back seat. This one's a cash-only sale, no trades. (1972) Oldsmobile Cutlass, listed in Cassopolis, Michigan, for $20,000. This classic Olds is a blast to drive and has around 90,000 miles on it. The body is solid with little to no rust, and the underside is nice and clean. It's powered by an Oldsmobile 350 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The paint is about a 5 out of 10, decent for cruising as is or a great candidate for fresh paint if you're looking to take it up a notch. The interior is in good shape, and it already has a front spoiler added for a sportier look. This car would make a perfect platform for a 442 clone. The seller is open to trades, but only for other classic cars. (1960) Pontiac Catalina, listed in Lindenhurst, New York, for $7,000 or best offer. This classic Pontiac Catalina is powered by a 389 cubic inch V8 engine and features several upgrades, including an Edelbrock EP4B intake, Edelbrock 750 carburetor, headers, and a 2.5-inch Flowmaster exhaust. It runs and drives well, though it will need some interior work to bring it to its full potential. The floor pans, rocker panels, and frame are solid with no rot, and the paint is driver quality, not perfect. This car is a great project with plenty of potential for the right person. Cash only, no trades. (1970) Chevrolet Nova, listed in Winooski, Vermont, for $6,500. This Nova is a very original and complete example, showing just under 98,000 miles, though it's not confirmed whether it has rolled over. It's powered by a 307 V8 engine paired with a 2-speed automatic transmission. The only modification is a set of rally wheels. Otherwise, it's true to its roots. The car was repainted in the 1980s in its original color and has held up well. It runs, drives, and stops just like it should, and everything works. Originally from Florida, it's a rust-free and solid car. It'll be sold with a bill of sale only, as Vermont didn't issue titles for classics from this era. The seller is open to considering trades,